Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. I'm at job site address 1626 Northwest 9th Avenue in Camas, Washington. This is a post-video inspection of a sewer liner that we installed. There's two different access points. Right now, I've pushed in from the 4-inch cast iron cleanout at the back of the house, and I've pushed all the way out to the city easement at approximately 72 feet. So this will be a backwards inspection, and I'm going to video this horizontal line, and then I'm going to pause the video and then go to the front cleanout and inspect that line. So once again, this is a backwards inspection. Here we are at the downstream section of our 4-inch liner that transitions into the city's 4-inch concrete. And here we are at the upstairs tie-in. So this is where the front clean-out ties in. There's some debris in the line. The customer has the water off doing some repairs, so we can't wash this debris out of the line, but this is the tie-in for the upstairs bathroom. And you can barely see it here, but the top right-hand corner of the screen, that's the tie-in to the downstairs bathroom. And here's the tie-in. I believe this is the 4-inch vent, cast iron vent. So this completes our inspection. The liner looks great, and this completes our inspection. Actually, I'm going to pause the inspection and go video the front clean-out. Alright, I'm now at the upstairs clean-out in front of the house, which is a 4-inch ABS clean-out, and it immediately transitions to cast iron. And we immediately transition into our liner right here. And here we are at the tie-in with the horizontal, the Y that I showed you from the downstairs. So this completes our inspection. The liner looks great, and we are done.